All right. Hey, realtors. How you doing? My name is Matt Harris. I just wanted to make you guys a quick video on how to do this whole lead generation system by yourself. Um, it's not easy. It's not quick, and you're obviously not going to be paying someone else two, three, $4,000 to get you 20 leads for your business. No. If you're doing this by yourself, you have an exponential amount of customers and leads that you can get by yourself. One chiropractor I ran just one little ad set for it was like 15 bucks on it, Facebook ads. Got him over 125 leads. So I've run ads for realtors too, obviously doing this exact same method, which I'm obviously going to show you exactly how to do it, but you have to do every single step that I tell you to do, or else it's not going to work out for you. So, pardon my appearance. Um, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be quick. But if you don't have the two, three, $4,000 to spend on paying a company to get the leads for you, this is the best way and easiest way to do it. Um, what you're going to be doing is basically, well, I have a share funnel um, for realtors that I give out that I can give to you, which is going to be in a link in probably the next lesson or two lessons from this. So um, this is the first video that I'm making, so let's cut to the point and make it easy. So I'm gonna draw on the screen and show you exactly um, how this works. Let me make sure I'm on both. Okay, so you have your Facebook ad right here. Okay, Facebook. Okay, now it's going once someone's on Facebook for the ad, they're obviously going to be sent to your landing page, which is going to have a place for that person to opt in to your list, which they're gonna have. Um, like normal agencies do it. They put a spot for their name, email, phone number for you to contact them, and that agency basically sends you that information to you as a warm lead that wants information about or is interested in selling their house or buying a house. This is key right here because this is going to be um, all the information that you yourself are going to be calling or emailing the person, following up with them, asking them what they're interested in, or if your landing page is something about, are you interested in selling your home? Enter your information below here to receive XXX as a incentive or whatever. So you're basically going to be offering them something in return for their information and in return for giving you that sale per se basically. So once you're once they pass the landing page, they're going to go to, let's do a bridge page. Okay, my finger's a little bit too big, so sorry. A bridge page. This is going to be information about your company. Okay, why your company is so great and why they should choose you. Um, this is basically where you're going to be um, selling the shit out of your services or whatever to your future client or customer. So um, on this page, I know my writing sucks. Don't judge. It's by my finger on my freaking laptop. So I can't find my pen. So basically, this page is going to be basically putting your company on a freaking pedestal, or putting you on a pedestal. Why they should choose you? Yeah, I see that sun glare. Why they should choose you or your company. Um, this is going to be the main part of them accepting your email or them accepting your phone number. Um, you're going to put something like look out for an email from xxx at realtor.chicago.com or whatever your email address is. So that person can then look out for your email, obviously, in their inbox, and pretty much basically just open that freaking email. Now, after this page, you're going to be sending them to your website, okay? This is, and so they can get more information about you if there's not enough on here, okay? So you might be asking, how the hell do you do this? How do you create an ad? How do you create an opt-in page? How do you create a bridge page or your website? How? Um, go into the next lesson. I'll show you exactly how to do it, okay? It's literally probably going to take about 5 or 10 minutes to actually make this. So, go to the next lesson. I'll show you exactly how to make it and what tools you need and how much they cost. Pretty much nothing. Okay? Go to the next video. I'll talk to you there.